Yeah, welcome back to this tutorial. So in this video we are going to be writing our first website. So do not mind how it may look like. As time goes on, if you follow diligently, you are going to understand how to write your own and how to write it more comprehensively, how to write it in a better form, how to write it in a neater form. But for now, just type as I type. Now, one thing you will notice is that uh, I really do not have any um, special application that you might be wondering what it may be. So all I have here is just the notepad. So let me just close this. I really don't need to save this. I'll say don't save. And you too on your laptop or your desktop or your Mac. So you can just search for notepad. This is not notepad plus plus. So just general notepad. This comes with every laptop. It comes with your laptop too. You might not have used it before, so I'll maximize this for the sake of this video, and then so that I can see that there's nothing you cannot do with this. So generally I will not follow the basic structural pattern, because the goal here is that I need you to see your first website live. So for your first website, how do what I learned in my first website to for you. So our website will start with HTML, so it won't really follow the basic boilerplate pattern. I'll just start with this. So I'm writing a less than symbol and HTML, but it is advisable that your element or your code be written in small letter. Don't worry, in the next video I'm going to be explaining to you what this means and how it looks like. So I write my HTML and then I write this again. Now this could look boring, but you just have to add this for now. And I would say title. I'm going to create a title for my website. So what will be the title that pops on the website? Let me say my first website. And then this will be the end of the title. So just I won't follow the basic boilerplate pattern because of understanding sake. I really don't want it to look complex or messy right now. So the next thing I'm going to write here, body. Now in HTML this is called the opening tag and this is called the closing tag. So but for comprehension's sake, in as much as we are still going to cover it up in depth later, so I'll just type something here. I'll say this is my first website. Congratulations to me. So this is how your journey starts as a web developer. So the only thing you need to do right here is just to save this. You can save this by pressing Ctrl S on your keyboard, Ctrl S, or you go to File, click on File, and click on Save. So I'm just going to click on Save right here, and please make sure you note where exactly you are saving your file. So and the file name that you use. So I will call this first website, and then I will add an extension to this. So this is a file format, the same thing that happens on your phone when you play music. You know, music are mostly MP3 or M4A, and when you play movies it could be MP4 or MOV or AVI. So websites too have their own extension. So we have you can call it .htm or .html. So I'm just going to write .html for this one. You can still write .html alone, but I won't want to confuse you at all. So just make sure you know where you are saving this. So my duty now is just to look for my file. Now this is it is appearing in my recent. So this is, you could already see this comes with the logo of Chrome browser. So I'll double click this and see the result. Let's wait for it to load, and then we're going to see what actually is necessary. and what we have written in our code uh, for few minutes now. We're going to be seeing our result. Yeah, let's wait for it. Now I've created a video for you on how to maximize your RAM, how to maximize the speed, how to optimize the speed of your computer. When you notice that your computer is slow, there are few tips that you can engage so you can watch that video right there. So let's wait for this to load, and then yeah, boom, where we have it. So if you look at this website, this is our first website. You can see the title here, my first website, and then you can see the content that we wrote here, as this is my first website. Congratulations to me. So we can use this is our first website actually. So if you look at this, is bringing the Chrome, um, and it is loading in the Chrome. So officially you have created your first website, but this is not all about a website. So in the next video I'm going to be showing you how to install a code editor to your laptop or to your um, desktop, because if you want to be writing code with this, it might take a whole lot of time before you're able to finish it. It might take more stress and you are prone to making more errors. So this is not bad at all, but this is just a text editor. So we have applications separately that are meant for coding, so we call them code editors. So in the next video I'm going to be taking you through how to use code editors and which code editor particularly you should use. So see you in the next video.